Hello, this is Jenny Cartwright from Sales and Telesales Solutions. Whenever you send something out, information or a quote, it's absolutely vital that you follow it up. Now I know you're probably thinking in your head that that's the scary part. That's where you get the rejection. That's the part of sales that you don't want to do. But it's absolutely vital that you do it. You see, if you don't, you're only going to get about a 1% success rate. And if you do, you could convert 20% of those calls into sales. And if you're working on a commission basis, that would be unbelievable. So I'm going to give you 3 quick tips today on how to do the follow-up sales call. The first tip is to always write in your letter that you're actually going to call back in 3 to 5 days. This does 2 things. The very first thing that it does is that it alerts the customer to the fact that you're actually going to call back, and so it makes them read it. And the second thing that it does is that when you call that gatekeeper and the gatekeeper says to you, is he expecting your call? You can legitimately say yes. So the second thing is you must call back when you say you're going to call back. If you don't, you lose all credibility. And the third thing that you do is when you follow up that call is you always start with an open-ended question beginning with what, why, where, when, which, how, who. If you start with a closed question which gets a yes or no, you know, the postal inspector check, did you get the information? The customer is just going to say yes or no, and the conversation goes nowhere. So, thank you for listening for these tips. Congratulations on doing so, and have an outrageously successful week.